Hello everyone. So this video is going to show you how we want you to submit your time card using Worklion. First thing you need to do is go to worklion.psu.edu and log in. From there you'll see this screen, which is your dashboard. They have these things called applets that you can see on your screen. What we're going to talk about today is the time applet. So go ahead and click on time when you are ready to submit your time card. Alright, on there you're going to see that you can enter time for this week or last week. You can also select a week, but I would just stay away from that. Also, you can see there's a request time off and correct time off on there, but we are still going to use sub it up for our request time off, so you do not need to worry about those buttons. You really only need to focus on this week and last week. Everything else is still going to be in subitup.com. Once you click on this week, you'll be able to see this page here. So this is where you're going to input your time. The time type is always going to be time in and time out. For the in, you're going to put whatever time you got in. So let's say 4 p.m. For time out, you're going to write what time you got out. So 6 p.m. The out reason is always going to be out. You don't need to worry about that. And it will actually add up the hours for you. The position, you're going to write whatever position you are. LabCon, KC, Tech Tutor, Wagner, whatever you are working at during those hours. All right, once you submit it, you'll get to this page. If you are completely ready to submit it for the manager to be to approve it, you're going to enter a comment if your hours do not match up with subitup.com, just kind of like you do now. Make sure that if, let's say, you have 2 more hours because you did some work at home for World Campus or as a Wagner consultant, you're going to write in, I work from home from these hours, and that's why these do not match up with SubitUp. So we need to know if for some reason the numbers aren't matching, why. So this is where you input that. And after you input that, you're going to hit submit. And that is going to send it directly to the manager. Once you hit submit, you'll be able to get this page that will let you know that you did everything right, you have submitted it. The next steps is for the approval by the manager, so you can see that I have it in my inbox and you have done everything you need to do. So that is the process that you need to follow to make sure you get paid. So in this image you can see that whenever you hit time on the dashboard, you also have a submit time button. So if you save and don't submit, you can come back later and hit that submit time button to submit your time card. So if you work for multiple positions, not just for student technology services, but all throughout Penn State, you might need to enter time for more than one place and more than one position on one time card. So to do that, you just change the position in the position field. So let's say you were working for Tech Tutors from 7 to 10, you would have Tech Tutors there. Let's say then you worked from the Creamery from 10 to 11. The next position you would select would be for the Creamery. And let's say then you came back and worked for Tech Tutors again from 11:30 to 4. Then you would select position Tech Tutors again from 11:30 to 4. What this is going to do is it is actually going to send your time card to 2 different managers, and then both of us will need to verify your hours and approve it. So if you are working more than one position within or in various places at Penn State, then you need to make sure that you select different positions on your time card. All right, and that wraps up how to submit a time card. This is all very new to all of us, so if you have any questions, please don't be hesitant to ask. And if I don't know the answer, I will make sure I try my best to find out the answer for you. And thank you for watching.